I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix your Ford Fusion radio. First, let's cover some basic checks. Make sure your car's ignition is fully on and that the radio's power and volume are not turned down. Also, take a quick look at the radio unit itself for any visible damage or loose connections. These simple steps can often resolve minor issues quickly and easily. If the basic checks don't work, try a soft reset. This is a quick and easy way to refresh the system. Simply locate the power button on your Ford Fusion radio. Press and hold it down for approximately 10 seconds. After releasing, the radio should restart and hopefully your issue will be resolved. This often clears minor software glitches. Next, we'll check the radio's fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit for a non-working radio. Refer to your Ford Fusion's owner's manual to find the fuse box location and the specific fuse for the radio system. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with a new one of the exact same amperage. This is a straightforward fix that can restore power. Finally, if all else fails, a hard reset can sometimes resolve persistent problems. Turn off your Ford Fusion and open the hood. Carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. Leave it disconnected for about 15 minutes to allow the system to fully discharge. Then, reconnect the terminal securely and start your car to see if the radio is now working correctly. This can clear deeper electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.